In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Raycast. Whether you're looking to free up some space, trying out different productivity tools, or simply want to remove Raycast from your computer, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the settings on your computer. Depending on whether you're using a Mac or Windows, the way to access the settings may vary slightly. On a Mac, you typically go through the Finder, while on Windows, you'll start by clicking on the Start menu. Once there, navigate to your Applications or Apps section. This is where you'll find a list of all the software currently installed on your system. Now, carefully scroll through the list and keep an eye out for Raycast. It's usually listed alphabetically, so this step should be fairly straightforward. If you're having trouble locating it, you might find it helpful to use the search function, which can quickly point you to the right spot, saving you time and effort. Once you've found Raycast in the list, the next step is to click on it. On most systems, this action will reveal additional options, including the magical Uninstall button. Clicking on Uninstall will initiate the process of removing Raycast from your computer. At this point, you might see a prompt or confirmation box asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the application. These are there to make sure you don't accidentally remove something you didn't mean to. Go ahead and confirm the action to proceed. The uninstallation process will then begin, and it might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the process is complete, you may need to restart your computer to ensure that all components of Raycast are fully removed and that your system is running smoothly. Restarting helps in clearing out any temporary files and finalizing the uninstallation. And there you have it. Raycast should now be completely uninstalled from your system. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if Raycast doesn't appear in your applications list, you might want to check their official website for support or additional uninstallation instructions. Remember, uninstalling software is a great way to keep your computer organized and running efficiently. If you're exploring other productivity tools, take this opportunity to learn about new solutions that might better fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy computing!